Hi everybody, this is Restories with Daniel, and today we'll be reading Eric Makes a Splash. So let's get started. Eric was a warrior. He worried about noises in the night. He worried about finding spiders in his willy boots. He worried about getting lost in the park. These are all his worries right here. Okay, next page. But nothing worried Eric more than trying new things. Eek. Luckily, Eric had a brave and kind best friend who loved to help him feel brave too. Flora was fearless, and Eric thought she was just lucky. On Monday, Flora wanted to splash in the muddy puddles, but Eric worried about getting his boots dirty. Why don't you pretend to be your piglet rolling a mud or a hippo having a bath? Suggested Flora. Soon they were splashing and splashing together. Splash, 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 splash. On Tuesday, Eric worried that he wouldn't like the new summer swings Mom had to put in his packed lunch. Why don't you pretend to be a bear? Eric said for it. Bears love honey. They are big, strong, and very fuzzy wuzzy. I bet it tastes yummy. Eric wasn't sure, but he had a bite. Flora was right. Honey was delicious. Otherwise, Eric worried that the berries are kind of when they can't see wobbly. Why don't you send your spider on a giant sticky thing you won't fall off? Okay, this is the on Thursday, Eric was worried about the scary dark. Let's pretend we're owls, Eric said, for they fly at night all the time. Together they hooted and tooted loudly. On Friday, something arrived in the post that made Eric very worried indeed. It was an invitation to the swimming party. It's going to be splishy. It's going to be splashy. Dear Eric, you are invited to Desmond and Raymond's swimming party. Time 2 p.m. Saturday. Where soggy towel, swimming pool. See you there. Don't forget your towel. This sent Eric into a whirling whirl. What if his fur got wet? What if water went into his eyes? What if he sat to the bottom of the pool? Why don't we go shopping? Buy you some new swimming trunks, said Flora. Even Eric's favorite pair didn't make him feel any better. Ta-da! Look, a swimming cap with dinosaur on it. This will keep your fur dry. And how about these goggles? But Eric's still wearing them until now we're getting somewhere with a smile. Finally, we're off to the pool. This is where they're going, as you can see. Splash, splish, splash. Everyone jumped in, but Eric just sat on the side. Splash. Why don't you pretend you're a dolphin, or a seal, or a shark, or a turtle, said Flora. They're all great swimming, but this time the idea of pretending something to be something else didn't make Eric feel braver. He dipped one toe in the water, then he heard Flora say, "You can do it, Eric." He took a very deep, brave breath and splash! He was in the water. He was very hard on himself until Sam slipped in the puddle and knocked Desmond. Richard and Chris Raymond then bounced on Betty, who fell backwards into the boat. Susie went soaring through the air. Pop! And everyone went silent. Pop! The thing was amazing. Look over Eric cried Eric. I'm swearing all by myself. Eric had never felt braver in his life. But Flora didn't answer because Flora was standing on the top of a very, 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 very tall side, looking very, very, very worried. I wonder how he was going to help her. Luckily, Eric knew just what to do. Why don't we why don't we pretend to be penguins? He said, they're very good at sliding floors now. You know what, Eric? I think that's a very, very good idea. There's them stuff on the top. So after a few very deep, very brave breaths, Flora and Eric Hilton counted 1, 2, 3, and swoosh, slippy, slip, splish, swish, slidey, splosh, splash! They made it all the way to the bottom together, because best friends are always there when you need them, smiled Eric. Okay guys, thank you for watching this episode. If you like, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!